Evelyn, you are all in.
On your side.
Oh, on my side.
Yep.
Don't kill me.
See, be a good patient.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, right.
You tense up, you'll die.
Be compliant.
Yeah. I have no choice.
You missed last week.
Yeah.
Now this is for them.
Breathe in and out.
Oh, nice.
Scoot a little closer up your upper body. Yeah.
Oh, it's popping already.
Breathe in and out.
Oh, nice.
Face up.
There's like 3 of them in there. Oh, it seems scarier from the aerial view.
Breathe in and out. Chin to chest.
Oh, that was one there. That was one I was trying to get out on the foam roller, but it wasn't moving.
Just take your glasses off.
I can see your nose blinking in the mist. You're annoying.
See, this would be the scary one, like for the patients,
Oh, totally in the video.
Michael Myers looking up at you.
Yeah, but I'm the nice one because I got lashes.
That's true. Yeah.
Good. Just relax all the way.
Why would you say that
That's
right
deep.
What was the try?
Nice. Oof.